Who wouldn't want to work from home? You can make your own hours, forget ever having to commute, and never have to answer to a boss. Plus, as a home-based business owner, you have the potential to earn exponentially more than you ever will by punching a time clock. Yet there are so many home-based business opportunities available that it's often difficult to choose the one that is a good fit for you and that has the income potential that you need. To help you make your choice, here are 5 key elements to look for in a home-based business. 1. Go with network marketing. While it's true that not everyone succeeds at network marketing, the principles behind it are sound. After all, network marketing is essentially using and selling products through word of mouth. This approach allows you to reach out to an ever-growing number of people and reap the financial rewards of building your own downline. Because network marketing cuts out the middleman, your earning potential increases. In the process, you create the potential for residual income while enjoying low overhead and the opportunity to work when and where you want. Furthermore, when you take advantage of internet-based network marketing, you are not bound by geographic boundaries, your customers and downline can reach global proportions. 2. Choose a company that offers multiple products. Every day, you use dozens of products. Some home-based business opportunities focus on one product, while others focus on many. When you do the math, it's easy to see why it's preferable to choose a company that allows you to become a member and have access to a wide variety of products, as well as to sell those products. 3. Find cutting-edge products to use and sell. Few people need more candles, kitchenware, or knickknacks. What they really need and want are information and mobile technology products, such as DSL, VoIP, and broadband. Baby boomers in particular are looking for values in discount shopping, travel, and professional services such as legal services and health services. Companies and entrepreneurs are always on the lookout for cutting-edge business software, conference calling, SEO services, marketing products, and video production services. 4. Look for a solid compensation plan. Compensation plans vary from company to company, so be sure to find one that gives you the greatest earning potential. A single paid matrix is an excellent approach, as is a 3x9 monthly matrix commission. 5. Gain access to business building tools. One of the premises of network marketing is that you don't need to reinvent the wheel, the infrastructure for a successful business model already exists. When reviewing home-based business opportunities, especially those that are internet-based, find one that allows you to grow your business through duplication, so that you can immediately get up and running. The company you work with should also have a support system that includes mechanisms to capture leads, create ads, and develop solid marketing strategies. Moreover, there should be a sense of community, camaraderie, and mutual support. Launching your own home-based business can not only lead you to a debt-free life, but can also enable you to travel the path of true financial freedom. Don't miss out on my top 3 recommended simple business opportunities by clicking the links in the description of this video. Like and subscribe. I wish you great success.